Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Sinabi ng ating simbahan na magdasal. Pero medyo, sabi ko, sige magdadasal. Kaya pinagdasal ko na magkasakit si Digong. Diba niya, sabi niya, pagod na siya. Magpahinga muna siya.
Sabi po nung isang pare na mamatay ako, huwag kang mag-alala, Father. Whether I die today, I die tomorrow, it does not matter to me anymore. Tapos na ako. Ikaw, kulang ka pa sa happy. Dagdagan mo yung mga girlfriends mo dyan. Tangina nyo, kala ninyo, hindi namin alam. Kung mamatay ako, total susunod ka rin eh. But the likes of you, itong pare, to wish ill, so nakakita magpa dito na mamatay sana si Duterte. Di sabihin ko na lang rin, mamatay sana kayong lahat ng venereal disease. Lalo na yung pare na walang pera magkabit dyan sa tabi-tabi ng Pasay. At saka may orphanage kayo existing now where yung mga anak ninyo na sekreto nandyan nilalagay. Kunwari, pinapalabas ninyo the most hypocritical institution in the Philippines today, mga pare.
Vice President Leni Robredo also said that she continues to pray for you, but a priest prays that you will get sick. What's your reaction about that?
Well, ma'am, if we have the same God, then I would appreciate it. But the problem is, their God, together with the religious idiots around, pati yung mga bishops, and to think that they are being sued worldwide for abuses against children. In America, there's a flood of cases filed against the Roman Catholic Church for abuses, which happened to us also here, when we were fondled by... Tignan mo, sa panahon ni Boards, nandiyan naman si Trillanes. Nagka-increase ba ng sweldo ang sundalo baski 5%? Nandiyan siya, in Malacanang. And he was taking the cudgels for the military. He not only abandoned the vision of the military, he became a corrupt guy, collecting dyan sa mga negosyante. Para siyang abogado. Alam namin yan, kasi ang negosyante, baski na paano mo taguin, nagsasabi talaga yan. But I do not want to talk to businessmen for that. Kaya I do not allow businessmen to go to. Except, I said, if you have a problem about corruption, I will give you a 24-hour leeway. Anytime about corruption. So, gaya nung Koreanong sa frigate, pumunta doon yung mismong may-ari ng kumpanya, yung parang liaison officer nila, empleyado nila, bakit hindi pa na-implement? And that was why si Bongo wrote a letter sa legal, for legal to hear it and pass on whatever is the result of the investigation. Sabi ko, makaakyat kayo. Na ito si Trillanes, sundalo, ang nag-make believe siya doon sa mga sundalo na he was all for the military. And he never gave a hoot. Hindi ko sabi, wala ako, isang beses lang ako nagsabi, kampanya, I will double your salary. Period. Nung pagtapat ng panahon, binigay ko. Siya, military siya, malapit siya kay Aquino. Andyan si Bor. Ngayon itong mga military na they say they love their fellow soldier. Really? Nagpakita ba sila minsan sa Marawi? When a lot of my soldiers and policemen were dying, pumunta lang ba sila doon to sabi, I condole with you? Yan pag sabi mo, nagmamalaki sa sundalo. And always, all the time, tatakutin ang kako pati. We have mga mga mista ko. Is that how low you can get? Is the military that empty? Natakutin ko lang sa mga mista niya kasi hindi ko na gusto ng mga sundalo. Oh, well, kung hindi ibigay mo sa military, bakit ka takot? Ibigay mo. Kung gusto nila magsabi sila bukas, kayo, bababa ako. Totoo lang. Bakit ako pagpagkuntis niyang payabangan? Anong naibigay niya sa military? This pernicious habit of the military when I will take do not follow the instruction of the president. Well, pag yan ang sabi nila, kung gusto ninyo, inyo na. Bakit kayo magpatayan? Ang gwardiya ko, classmate mo rin, bala sa PMA, di kayo na lang lahat. Bakit pa tayo magdrama-drama dito kung gano'n ang sitwasyon? Sanabi ko sa inyo, I'm old. I am ready to step down anytime. Short of working it out for the last remaining years of my term. Probably the only agency that can really, or agency, would be PNP and the armed forces. If that is to their liking, they can always just call my attention. We'll have coffee in Malacanang and say, okay, you want me to swear you in? Is it a military junta or have you decided to select the son of a bitch? Gusto niya yung leader na yan? O sige. Yan ang nagmamalasakit sa military. Kalimutan niya lahat. Now, hindi pa ako regalado doon at kami yung walang tulog. Tumindig ka muna dyan, makinig ka.
Yes, sir.
Hindi, binibiro ko lang, sabihin ka ng media. Kami mga taga Davao, alam namin yung biroan namin dito. So yan. Ang isa is he recommended that a general amnesty be given. And then, after his recommendation, he approved it. Siya mismo ang nag-grant. Siya ang nag-recommend. Bakit ka pa mag-recommend kung ikaw lang pala ang pipirma, diretso ka na? So, what's the crime of both? Sabihin ko siya, usurpation of authority. Lahat yan sila may tama dyan. Kaya sabihin nila, de facto martial law na pinapakulong. Sino pinakulong dito? Sabi niya na continuing arrest. Well, let the court decide on it. Whether he should go back to jail because that is where he came from. And instead of reporting to J1 na mag-swear ng oath, and he has to do it in writing. Basta check ka lang dyan, okay, mutiny, ito, nandoon na. Look, we have to determine their respective criminal liability first. Whether leader ka mas mataas or whether you were a follower, ordinary soldier. That, before you can give a pardon or amnesty, you have to know, you have to declare your guilt and place it on a narrative so that alam ko kung ibibigay ko ba ang amnesty o papaniwalaan ko. Wala Yung sa application niya, TRO sa Supreme Court, nagbigay siya ng sample ng affidavit. Wala siyang you have to swear. And you have to place the narrative saan ka, anong ginawa mo, bakit kailangan kang papatawarin. Kaya kung magsabi lang, ako si Trillanes, nanonood lang ako sa kapwa ko sundalo, pero kami lahat sa isang grupo lang. You think that you just play with the Constitution? Hindi ako. Must remember, abogado ako. Hindi ko pipirmahan yan kung alam ko na walang. Yan. Failure to comply, it must be in affidavit form, and you narrate anong kasalanan mo. Ang problema, yung nag-imbestiga at nag-recommend ng amnesty, siya rin ang nag-approve ng amnesty. Remember, it's a constitution. Mabigat kaya yan, Regalado. Biro mo, you pardon criminals in this country and you can delegate it to just somebody? Just like that?